M0FXB Hamtech, BAOFENG UV-21 Pro here. VHF UHF 220 meg radio. Nice set, very solid set. Just going to show you how to add your repeater and then save it to your memory. First thing is, let's get yourself into VFO mode. Nicely on this one, you don't hold the buttons down. It's actually marked with separate buttons. So look, VFO.
Frequency mode.
And it does talk to you if you want it to.
Channel mode.
Channel mode is memory.
Frequency mode.
Frequency is VFO. Then we'll type in our frequency of our local repeater GB3WR. So we'll go 1, 4, 5, 6.
0, 0.
And that's our receiving frequency. Now we want to put in the CTCSS, the shift plus or minus power etc. The one thing we can do is just make sure our squelch isn't too high. So we can just go F, or should I say menu, number 1. And that's our step. Let's just go, squelch is number 0, 0. We'll get that in there. It's already set to, let's go push menu.
Squelch, confirm.
Number 3, okay. Then we can go up to number 2. We don't need to change the step. TX power, we can change that. Press the green button.
Power.
Choose the power. And we are going to test the power.
Confirm.
Confirm. It should be about 5 watts. Next thing we'll do, now there are quick ways to get to everything you need, which I recommend if we back out completely. So the first one is press the green button, then type in 12, and it takes you straight to menu 12. So green button, 1, 2, and we're there at the transmit CT CSS. There are shortcuts. If you go F and whatever's written on the button here, look, will take you to that item. So you can see there TX power, step, Vox, etc. ABR, that's the screen timeout. TOT, that's the talking timeout. Let's just check what F3 is. I haven't tested that. F3, it says it's a save option. Okay, let's just exit for now. So next thing we'll do is get our CTCSS in. So we'll go F, then 1, 2, and we'll press the green button.
CTCSS.
We'll go up and down until we find 94.8 for GB3WR, and we will select it with the green button.
Confirm.
Confirm. Next we'll go up to 28. Let's go. The quick way is just to exit and go green button 28. Now it's the shift direction. So when you transmit, the frequency will actually go down 600 megahertz. So we're going to click
Frequency
green,
direction.
and it's flashing minus or plus, or nothing. Yeah, so that's simplex. Simplex means you stay on the same frequency, but we want minus, and that's how repeaters work. So you press again the green button, it confirms. So that's our shift in. We've got our CTCSS in. Now we need the shift amount. That's really important because otherwise it won't know. So if we exit now, I've already put it in. When we transmit, look here what happens to the 600 PTT. Look, 145, then it's all the zeros, which is what we want. That's the GB3WR settings. So to find that, just go to menu, then 29. Menu 29. And it's already in there, but we're going to show you how. Press the green button again.
Offset frequency.
And you can start putting in all zeros at the first part.
0,
Then 600.
0.
Then enter.
Confirm.
Now a common one would be for 70 centimeters would be to go F
Offset frequency.
0, 0,
0,
7,
7,
600.
0, 0.
Okay, that's a common one, but we don't want that. We'll put that in for now.
Confirm.
Then we'll do it again.
Offset frequency. 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0.
And then you need it to show 600, confirm.
Confirm.
Then back out with the blue button, and then to just make sure, just press the PTT. So we've got everything in there that we need now. We've got our minus shift, we set the power, CTCSS, transmit CTCSS. So when we transmit, it sends out a tone of 94.8 and it opens the repeater. So that's pretty much everything. Yeah, we've set the squelch. So now we just want to save this. We go to menu, then menu 30. We're in save mode now. Now, it won't save to an existing channels, and the other weird thing is you have to save twice, yeah? So you need it to say to you receiving and transmitting. So if we choose a random channel, the first thing we'll do, we've gone to, let's just start from the beginning, we'll go menu 30. Then we'll hit the green.
Memory channel.
Now, let's go down, choose a channel, say number 8.
Receiving memory.
Receiving memory, that's good. That went in. Now we want to press it again.
Memory channel. Transmitting memory.
Transmitting memory. Now, and that was memory channel 8. Now, if you hear that, you've done it right. You may have to go back in. So if we exit and go to memory mode by pressing VFO memory here. So memory mode is called channel mode. VFO memory.
Channel mode.
And we go down to number 6 or 7 we put in, didn't we?
8.
Or was it 8? Anyway, it's there, okay? Now, if it doesn't go in, what you want to do is go menu.
Menu.
Yeah, it was 8, wasn't it? Then go to the channel that you want. Let's say you want it to be, press the green button. So we're now in, go to menu 31, 31, which is delete channel. Now press menu.
Delete channel.
And if you press it again, channel 8
Confirm.
will be deleted, okay? Back out. So then it will let you save to that channel. So if there's basically, if there's a channel already there, it's going to try and kick you out. Yeah, it's going to go, nah, we're not going to let you save there. You've already got a channel there. You need to delete it first. So that's it. So that's the basics. And I'll just run you around it. So A and B, arrow there going up and down. A and B band. VFO memory. So that's,
frequency mode.
you can type in.
Channel mode. Channel mode.
If we go frequency,
mode.
220 in the USA.
0, 0, 0.
You can see all the shortcuts on the front. On the side here, we've got a radio.
On.
Just hold it, I think. There probably is a scan function. Let's try hash. There you are, hash. I don't want to put music because we get told off from eBay. But anyway, radio, and you're scanning with the hash. Let's back out by just pressing it briefly. There's actually 3 buttons on the side of this. So the middle one is a torch, flash, and stay on. There's actually 3. It's like a flat line. You can probably set these in the programming software. I'm going to have a go with Chirp in a different video. So the bottom one is changing the power. Again, you could probably change that. If I hold it, it's making the flash. Middle, if I hold it, oh, it's doing the frequency search. That's pretty good. So if I grab another radio, see the way it's, oh, it's found my my hotspot, which is nearby, 431.550. If you press hash, I'm pretty sure it lets you search in VHF. So I've got a VHF radio in my hand here. I just quickly go 145, all the zeros. Key the mic, and it should, oh, that's not the mic. That's the alarm. It should pick it up. I'm keying it. There you are. It's picking it up slightly off. 1, 2, 1, 2, but it's definitely working. This is a very nice, loud device, okay? So let's just back out. And it actually looks the part. I think it's a very nice looking one. Yeah, chunky, big battery. You're not going to be unhappy for under £20. So that's that. Let's have a look what else we've got here. You've got your twin pin. They call it the Kenwood connector, but it's basically a twin pin connector for an external microphone or for programming, which we will do. I was going to have a go at DTMF, but normally you just press, then you go star 3 4 1 5 2 2. But I noticed that when it was doing that, if I get the frequency 145, you couldn't hear anything. Let's turn it right up. But I have seen them before where they're silent when you do DTMF, but they do work. But it does have a full keypad. One strange thing is it's got an actual stopwatch. Watch this. Menu.
Menu.
44. Do that again. 44. There you are. You just push green and the stopwatch appears.
Confirm.
There you go. Press the left and it just starts timing you. So, all right, well, why not, eh? Push that and it backs out. I do like the big LED on top. I mean, that's big. I do like a good LED. It's almost like they've incorporated the torch and the LED in one place, but it's all working fine. No complaints. You know, you think 20, it was like 18, 19 delivered. I know we're all buying the pushungs at the moment, which I do really like. I like mine. I've got one here, which is camouflage star. They're toys, you know. I mean, my attitude is very simple. Go to McDonald's, spend £15, or buy one of these, and then have a cheese toastie at home. To me, it's a no-brainer.
G1AJ, for example, without the Dash L, that'll work just fine. You don't
That's
need
G7 RPG on HubNet.
the Dash L really is a
If I put that on here, we type in the frequency.
4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0.
Yours is
That's a
really,
really nice speaker. Listen to the
It
difference.
doesn't matter. I mean, what you could try doing is run up the Echolink software on a PC, if you've got one.
Nice bassy speaker. Listen to the Quashang.
Try logging in as G1.
It's still, it's still good, yeah. But that's a bassier thing. But don't forget the Quashang. You can do everything with it. I don't recommend you transmit on anything other than 2 meters and 70, if you ask me. So last of all, I'm just going to quickly connect my power tester to this. Remember, this isn't a state-of-the-art power test. This is a cheap tester on a dummy load being screwed to the antenna. Right, let's just quickly key. We're in high power. Look here, it'll give you the frequency. And at high power is virtually 5 watts. I'm happy with that. We do F, then press number 2. We've gone to F2. I think there's a shortcut for power, isn't there, if I remember right? You hold down the bottom one. There you go, low power, 3.5. It's just low or high. Yeah, completely acceptable. A handheld, it's all you need, to be honest. You're not going to use a handheld unless you're out and about. There's a repeater near you. When you're at home, you can connect an external antenna. So I'm happy with that. I've got another one here, which I might as well test while I'm here, just for fun. See what power this one, because this one's advertised as at 10 watts. So let's show you. And this is the UV-10. If you look now, 1, 4, 5. Again, a lovely radio, lovely. Let's just key the mic, high power, M0FX speed test, and that's actually less. That was 4 watts. So the UV-21 was better, and I bet you want me to test the the Quashang now, don't you? So let's just grab that and we'll test it. I do really like these Quashangs. They're just great fun. Hold down for VFO. Hold down 3. 1, 4. Oh, that's gone into channel mode. Hold down again. 1, 4, 5, 6, 100. It's just a very quick test. What do you reckon? 4 watts. TX. Oh, it's in AM, so it's disabled. Let's get it so it's not disabled. I'll just change the settings. Okay, 145 FM. Key the mic. Look at that. It's pretty good. 4.6. Come on, this was, I think, get these for £12 now. And if you've not seen them, when you go F5, you get this spectrum, and press the 6, you can select USB, no, the 0, AM, USB, come on, it's a no-brainer. Hold down the F, bring down the squelch. Anyone that thinks these are rubbish is completely crazy. They are excellent for what they cost, yeah? It's not a Kenwood D74. Kenwood D74, look at this one here, right? One of the best radios ever made, and they've got the 75 coming, haven't we? Yeah, brilliant. APRS, dual band, HF, does everything you can think of, but I bet you the new one's £800. Even second-hand, this was £300-400 and more. I'll say £500. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm having great fun playing around with all these different radios. 7.3, all the best.